Hi guys, welcome back to our core values. Number 3, extreme integrity. So to explain extreme integrity, what that means is that we stay modest and we respect all others and their opinions and values. We don't view ourselves as any better or any worse than anyone else, simply different. So we realize and see below the surface of people, and you'll never really know what people's stories are. We share the core focus of the iGen entrepreneur brand, and we act in integrity with our core focus. We know our actions reflect on the iGen brand. We feel and analyze our emotions to avoid acting rashly, and this in turn avoids sour relationships where they are not the result of acting with integrity. We understand that everything we think, do, and say has repercussions, both positive and negative, and therefore we act with integrity. We understand that relationships are key, and therefore we act in line with this. So this, again, is something that is incredibly important to everyone at iGen Entrepreneur, that we act with integrity and we're able to position ourselves as a business that you can trust. So yeah, this came to the fore recently, and yeah, is a big part of why we're doing what we're doing at the moment. So in terms of extreme integrity, that is our third core value. Next one that's coming up is systems mindset. See you there.